Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking one clear focal image or a subtle gradient so icons remain legible. This matters because contrast controls readability. Next, crop or export at your device's native resolution to avoid blur, and set image alignment so the clock doesn't overlap important parts. Then, disable or limit lock screen widgets and notification previews. This reduces clutter and improves visual balance. Once done, make sure battery and notification indicators are placed where they won't obscure the subject. You now refine the layout by tuning the clock's size and color so it contrasts with the background. High contrast increases legibility at a glance. Place a single minimal widget, calendar, smart home toggle, or music, so it provides utility without crowding. Apply a subtle vignette or a gentle background blur behind icons to separate text from busy images. This is why small overlays work better than heavy filters. Once adjusted, preview in different lighting modes and orientations to confirm consistent appearance. You finish by saving 2 or 3 variations and testing lock and unlock transitions to ensure animations don't clash with your layout. Check readability in bright sunlight and in dim rooms because color shifts can reveal issues you missed. If icons or the clock appear misaligned, re-export the image after nudging the crop and reset the lock screen layout. Sometimes a fresh export at exact pixels fixes alignment problems. If notifications overlap, reduce widget count or move the focal subject slightly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.